Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here in the video we will talk about the DAZN Error Code 11012012. In our research we have found that this is quite an old error that started to trouble the users again recently, and this error occurs while watching any video on DAZN. This error, as DAZN explains, often surfaces when there are pending updates for your DAZN app or when there's a need to refresh your video content. So, how do you tackle this? The first fix is to refresh the app and content. If you are using DAZN on a browser, quit the browser and DAZN. Wait for a few seconds, then restart the browser and relaunch DAZN. Try playing a different video than the one that was causing the error. If the video plays smoothly, then try playing the problematic video again. If you're using the DAZN app, the process is similar. Quit the app, restart your device, and then relaunch DAZN. Try playing a different video first, then try the video that was giving you trouble. The second fix is to check for updates. Ensure that your browser or DAZN app is updated to the latest firmware. If there's an update available, install it and then reload your browser or restart your app. The third fix involves switching your browser. If the error persists, try using a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. The fourth fix is to try using a different internet connection. If the issue is resolved, then the problem might be with your internet service provider. In this case, restarting your internet or contacting your ISP might be necessary. If all else fails, the fifth fix is to contact DAZN support for further assistance. It's also a good idea to check DAZN's server status. If the server is down, that might be the reason behind the error. There you have it, 5 step-by-step solutions to the DAZN Error Code 11012012, from refreshing the app and content, checking for updates, switching browsers, trying different internet connections, and finally reaching out to DAZN support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.